Hello, good morning, my dear friends. This is Bivas Ghosh. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how a beautiful chart can be made in Microsoft Excel where the data is dynamic. You can change according to your need. Just selecting the start date and date, it can be changed. Date range will be changed. Accordingly, data will be changed. And most important thing, that you can insert comment on the date in the graph. Presentation of data becomes much better when it is expressed in form of a chart. It may be column chart, it may be line chart, pie chart, whatever it may be. It is far better way of presenting data than simple presentation of data in a tabular format. But the problem is this: suppose in a profit sale data, or in my example that import energy data, when the import energy goes high, what is the reason? Or if the profit is less, what is the reason? Reason may be that raw material cost has gone high. But putting that remarks on that with the data is there is no straightaway method in the trend curve. So that I will show how can it be done in some other way, putting inserting comment remarks on the. Here is a table down. Every day we are noting down the how much energy being imported, and if energy is more than normal value or less, then we are putting some remarks. Here is sheet number 2, where this some date is there, start date and end date. By changing the date, start date and end date, this dates and that import energy kilowatt hour and remarks again, it will be automatically picked up the basic table from this sheet. So just putting this index match formula, all these things these are being picked up. Based on this, if I change this value to say 1st May, then it will be changed. And if I change this value to any other value, you see that this is changed from this that is there. So automatically being picked up. This is an Excel file you can get from the link below. So what are the formula being used is VLOOKUP or index match, all these things. In my other video also is there, what is index match formula, all these things. So link you will get the description box. So that is how the range is being the data being changed. But how can I make the graph dynamically? Because graph normally accept the data in the fixed range. So we have to use the offset function in the name manager. You have to use the name manager function. Now let me show you how can I make a chart, a simple chart with dynamically, where the data range may get changed according to the user input. So first make a simple chart with a fixed data range. So select this data and we will insert and then go to, suppose we are making clustered column chart. So this is simple chart. Now to make it dynamic, what we have to do, we have to make a dynamic range of this date, this input energy, and also these remarks. Right now with this date and input energy, these two columns are there. Against the date, how much is the input energy. So how can we do that? We have we should go to formula manager, formula tab, then name manager. Then I have made this no VBA graph. So here the offset function is being used, so that you see that only this column is selected. Now if I change the date range, again if I show you this measure, so accordingly that automatically that this, similarly this input energy, this is also done, this is also done, and this is remarks, this is also done. Now we can see this offset formula. I have a separate video on offset formula, link is available in the description box. These data are dynamic. If I change the date range, data becomes dynamic. But here the old date 32/6 earlier, it is not getting changed. It is not getting changed. So how can make it dynamic? With the change of data, the corresponding range also be selected automatically in the graph. For that we have to use that offset function, and dynamic range you have to select. So made from a fixed data range. If I go to select data, then in this input energy, if I go for editing, so it is B2 to B8, that means B2 to B8 up to this data it is working. B2 similar. Now if I change B2 to B8, means if this is B2 B8, so just I make it color. If I change that date range, this is whatever is here 30th April to 6 May, that is there. Only this 7 data. It is not covering the whole data. Whatever within this zone, this yellow colored zone, that is being addressed, but whole range is not getting addressed automatically. So we have to selection of data dynamically. What we will do, we will go to formula tab. We'll go to formula tab, name manager. Already we have made some formula, and we'll go to edit to copy this name of this name manager. Select data. This is date range, so I will edit this one. What is important, that I will copy this name range, but the sheet number, this is must. Otherwise Excel will not accept this simple. If you put no BVA, this name manager name, before that sheet number is must. So now, and again going to name manager, and this import data, import energy range, I will copy this name, select data, this one, edit, this is okay, B1 TK, okay. In this place, this fixed range, I will replace this fixed range with this name manager. Now you see, now that 30 April to 14 May, whatever is there, that is being automatically selected. Now if I change the date range, suppose 5th May, so this 5th May to all this 14 May, 5th May to 14 May, every data is there. So this is how we are able to change the chart or graph according to our selected range of data. Now we have to put this insert inside the level. How can we put this insert also? Insert this comment. How can we insert this comment. That is another aspect. Now for inserting comment, again I will copy from name manager this remarks. I will go for edit to copy this name of this name manager. Just I have copied it. Now selecting this data label, format data label, I will prefer to make it inside base, and I will do it 270 degree so that it becomes like that. And in the in 2013 and onwards version of Excel, there is a advantage, or there is a feature, special features, the value from cells. If I tick this, then range can be added where from these remarks will be picked up. How it will be done? So value from the cells, if I click, first let me pick this one. Now instead of this, so I am replacing this fixed data range with the name manager. Now make it OK. You see that remarks is already there with the value and remarks. Where the remarks is not there, that only value is being shown. Now it is. Now we can change this to better. Change this, all these things. So remarks has been appeared. This is how I have made this. I have already made this thing. So this is also dynamic. Now how this is a import energy, so it is some thundering, electric thundering image is being added to look it to make it beautiful. I will show how can you do that. Where is no comment is there, some comma is being seen which is not desirable. So selecting all this data, let us go to format data level, and this separator I will use no space, nothing. So you see there is nothing is there when remarks is not there, and when some remarks is there, first remarks, then some with the gap, with the space, that kilowatt hour energy. Now how can I change it to like this? So let me go to format tab. I'm selecting all these things. Let me go to format tab, and let me come with this electric thunder. This electric thunder image like that. I will rotate it. I will change this color, shape fill. I will change this to red color, and just I will copy, and with this column just paste it. So that's how it is made. Nice looking data is prepared, the chart is prepared with a comment for the exceptional cases. Hope this will be useful.